Hello children, welcome to the 10th video of the rise of nationalism in Europe. In this video, you will come to know about national symbols, pictures and allegory of different countries through which nationalism was spread in every country of the world. Actually children, question arise why these symbols were needed during 17th 18th century. In reality, during 17th century 30% of people were literate, means only 30% people were educated. Moreover, they were not aware of nation state theory and concepts. Moreover, there was diverse culture, different languages and different identities of the people of different countries. So, to develop sense of common identity and common history and to spread the commonness among the people, nationalist, artist and painter made painting, symbols, allegory to develop the feeling of nationalism and patriotism. See children, due to continuous efforts of artists in 18th and 19th century, they got success in spreading the theory of nation state and nationalism. And patriotism and nationalism feeling took place in every nationalist people heart. So, my dear children, listen listen it patiently and see all symbols of different countries and try to understand what these symbols represent. Let's see one by one. Children, our today's topic in this chapter is visualizing the nation. Means you have to visualize each and every images, what they convey and what they represent. This is the image of Germania guarding the Rhine River. You can see at back of her the river which is flowing at back of her. And the real way to visualize the nation, the artists in 18th 19th centuries portrayed nations as if it were a person, and nations were represented as female figure. But children, in reality, female figures were to personify the nation did not stand for any particular woman in real life. Means in real life there was no such figures which exist in the country, and this is what called allegory. If you see in the real sense what is allegory, it is the representation of abstract ideas or principles by characters, figures, or events, and narrative dramatic or pictorial form is known as allegory. So, children, many of allegories during the French Revolution, artists used the female allegory to portray idea of liberty. You can see in this slide also the liberty statue means that they made, means artists made statue of liberty having torch light in one hand, means the torch light represent enlightenment, showing the path to liberty or freedom. Then artists made statue of justice. Justice is generally a blindfolded woman carrying a pair of weighing scales. You can see her hand. Means justice will be given on the basis of evidences, not by seeing faces of the poor or rich people. Means all are equal in the eyes of law. Children, these idols were represented through specific objects or symbols. Similarly, female allegories were invented by the French artist in the 19th century to represent the nation. So, France was portrayed as Christian Mariana, which was a popular Christian name, and Christian Mariana underlined the ideas of the people nation. Her characteristics were drawn from those of liberty and the republic, and you can see Mariana's image were marked on coins. Means Mariana's photos you can see on coins at that time and on stamps, children. And this is cockade. See it properly. It represents the King of France. and the entire nation of France. Means actually this cockade that was presented to king after the attack on Bastille fort. In this you can see the red Frisian cap and the tricolor cockade, red, white and blue. Actually Frisian cap represent the Liberty cap, means it is also known as Liberty cap. Children, see here, Mariana represented liberty and the republic by same that Frisian cap and the cockade on the cap. You are seeing cockade on the cap in this cockade on the cap which you saw earlier also. Children, here is statue of Mariana erected in public square in France to remind the public of national symbols of unity, and this statue really instilled the feeling of nationalism among French people. Similarly, if you see in Germany, similarly, Germania became the allegory of the German nation. In Germany, also, German artists made many symbols and allegories to develop the feeling of nationalism. In this also, children, you can see Germania symbolizing the German nation. In this, children, Germania guarding the Rhine River. The inscriptions on the Germania's sword reads, "The German sword protects the German Rhine rivers." This painting was painted by the artist Lawrence Clausen. Here are you seeing, children, broken chain made by the artist, and this broken chain is representing being freed. Children, in this crown of oak tree, crown of oak tree stand for heroism. In this breastplate with eagle, symbols of German empire strength. So you can see on the breastplate the figure of eagle also, and in this sword that you can see easily, it is representing readiness to fight, means to protect their nation. The German people, they were ready to fight with this sword. Then in this, along with sword, I think you all are seeing olive branch around the sword, willingness to make peace, means if they wanted to make peace with some other countries, so olive leaves or olive branches, it it is representing willingness to make peace. Then in this black, red and golden tricolors, are you seeing? Means this is the flag of the liberal nationalist in 1848. Children, are you seeing rays of the rising sun, means yellow color which is coming out, shows beginning of a new era. All these symbols no doubt played an important role in spreading nationalism in Europe. In reality, all these symbols instill pride and unity among different people in one's country, means in their own country. Because of this, today we are seeing 195 countries in the world are there. I do hope, children, when you see our country's national symbols, you all really feel proud of it, and see these symbols also bind us together. So in comment box you write any one symbols, means Indian symbols, which which instill you the feeling of patriotism and nationalism. So children, these all were symbols of France and Germany. I do hope you all have understood importance of symbols. Till next video, take care, be safe and be happy with your family and friends. Thank you, my dear children.